And we are ready to go. So what I've got is a crochet hook that's in the same size as the needle. I'm not much of a crocheter, so if you aren't, don't worry about it, because it's pretty straightforward. So what we're going to do is just slip the first 3 stitches from the needle onto the crochet hook. 1, 2, 3. Grab the yarn and pull it through those 3 stitches. Okay. And then we're going to go and we're going to chain 6 stitches. Now you can either hold your yarn on this side, or you could probably a little bit easier with crochet if you hold it over on this side, but it doesn't come naturally to me, but it does make it a bit easier because it's just sitting there. So there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. So that creates a loop, and then what we're going to do is slip the next 3 stitches again on. 2, 3. Bring your yarn through all 3 of those, and then we're going to create another loop and pull the 2 ones that are on the needle through it. There we go. So what we're doing then is we're creating a loop of 6 chains, and then you're binding off the next 3 stitches, and then you're pulling a loop through the 2 of them. So it creates this crocheted loop chain all the way along, and you just keep doing that. So there's another 6 here. So it's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And then we're going to move the next 3 on over here. 2, 3. Pull this through, and then we're going to loop the yarn through and pull it through those 2 that are on the needle. So we're just going to continue on across like that. You can obviously even vary the amount of stitches that you picked up. If you wanted to have them closer together and a bigger chain, you can make the loops longer or shorter. I'm going to keep going with this all the way to the very end. If you should have 3 stitches left in the end, if you've got more or less, it's not a problem. Just finish off with however many number of stitches you have left in your needle, finishing off that loop.